Today we will be talking about civil rights. Did you know that I was born in the state of Arkansas and I was born without civil rights? I was born without rights. I don't have any. For 3 years, I was trying to get this paperwork and my list of witnesses and pictures in court for 3 years over a wreck. I had a 3-year statute of limitations, and I was trying to get my stuff in court. However, I don't have any rights. I can't walk up into a lawyer's office and hire that person because of this evidence here. What this boils down to is the one that pressed charges on me in 2018. Him, his partner, his son in business covered up alcohol at a wreck scene. And I can 100% prove that in court. They covered up alcohol at a wreck scene. And they know that I can. That's why they had me blocked out of court. This particular business took away my rights to hire a lawyer. And then it was getting close to the end of my statute of limitations, and then he decided to, or have done, to erase my 2005 trial and close everything out in 2004. And he didn't think about paperwork. What are the chances of me having paperwork? A big chance, because I've got all the paperwork. And he thinks he's above the law and untouchable. The one that pressed charges on me in 2018. That's what he thinks. And then they got me into the Arkansas State Hospital. They used my 2004 charges back behind my back. And they took away my rights. And let me tell you, with the Arkansas State Hospital, these people know what's going on. That this is all about protecting the one that pressed charges on me in 2018. And like I said in my prior video, that they diagnosed me with delusional disorder, purgatory type, schizophrenia, and psychosis. I'm none of those things. I can explain myself if someone would take the time out and let me sit down and explain myself. However, they won't let me do that either. But there are some people, I don't know how many, that are involved in help protecting the one that pressed charges on me in 2018 from the state hospital. In my opinion, that psychiatrist, she needs to do about 20 years in prison. Because how many people has she done that to before me, after me, and right now? It's like, hey, I got you. I know what diagnosis to give this person. Well, they gave me the wrong diagnosis. I can back up everything that I'm saying. And everybody knows it. I mean, when I say that everybody is in a quagmire, they are in a quagmire. This is where they're going to have to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, so help them God. And they're going to have to explain why my rights were taken away from me from hiring a lawyer. I need to know that. The feds really need to tell me that. Why I wasn't able to hire a lawyer, which I already know. I can prove that alcohol was covered up at a wreck scene. And I also can prove that a county that I wrote a book about done this out of revenge. Payback. It's payback time for me. I have a story to tell, and it's a true story from beginning to the end, because with this paperwork now, when this does go into court, it'll go back to 2004 to present date. And everybody that is involved, that's in this paperwork, they're going to be up in the courtroom in due time. But I'm just letting everybody know that, hey, I was born in Arkansas, but I wasn't born with any kind of civil rights to hire a lawyer. Now, what kind of bullshit is that? Seriously. But I wanted to jump on and talk about my civil rights, which I don't have none at the moment. And I know that my videos are getting a lot of views, and I have a feeling that there's a right set of people taking notes on these videos, and I wanted to make sure they knew about that, about my civil rights, because I was born in Arkansas, but I wasn't born with them. I mean, I'm surprised that I got to hire a lawyer for my divorce, my 2 divorces, in which I won't never get married again. That's it. I'm done. Anyways, I just wanted to jump on here and let you know about about my civil rights, and I don't have any. Not right now, I don't, but in due time I will. Thank you, and Arkansas is going to know about this story.